Welcome to the last part of this video training on how to create a WordPress website. So we are almost done. Just a few items on our list and we will be rounding up this training. So let's go. We already did add, page, post and content. Now we could have add image because I didn't want the video to be too long. We are going to start from adding image to hyperlink and then menu and then finally how to optimize your website for traffic. So let's go online straight away. Okay, we are at the dashboard already, the admin dashboard right now. So we are going to be looking at how to add image. Okay, so let's go to our post. We added some content to a particular page post, so we are going to click on that post. All posts, we are going to use that post to add content image, so that you'll be able to understand how you can actually add image to your post or to any page at all. It's just the same process. You just click on pages, then add new page, or the old page you've already published, you add content to it and you want to add an image. Okay, so here it is. There are two ways to add image. You can add what is called featured image, or you can add what is called featured image, or you just add image from your editing page, your editor's page. Okay, this is the article we published the other day, so we want to add an image to this article, just like you see on websites or on blogs. Now you put your cursor where you want that image to be. I want the image to be on the left side of the post, so I'm going to add. I've clicked it there. Click it. Now I want to add media, so you click on add media here at the top. Then it will take you to all the pages, all the items, the media library. Look at the library here, where we have some images. But if you want to add a new type of image, what you do is you click on, if you don't want any of the images here, you leave the image media library and go to upload files. Right, then it will take us to select files and then to our system. So we have several of them here. You can see some images. Whatever you want to image you want to add, you just add it. See, okay, let me choose one of these images. Let's say this watch. Okay, and we are done. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it has loaded now. I told us we are going to add an alternate text. Images are not seen by search engine. They only see what you write. Like they see what you write, how to do this or this and that. We are going to give it an alternate text, which is business ideas. I told us before. So when people are looking for information, your site can pop up. Business ideas. Okay, you can leave the rest the way they are. That is all. You don't need any description and all that. So you click on insert into post. That is one method of adding image. Another method is simple. Though this one is okay if you want it like this, but if you want to add a featured image instead of this one, you can even, there are times you can, I add some of my blogs, I had featured image and I still add normal way of adding image. Another way is featured image. How do you add featured image? This is what you do. Set feature image here. You can see set feature image. You see, let's just choose this one because of time. Okay, and then click on a set featured image. that you have. So you have your image. You can delete it or you can leave it. This featured image, it will show on the post page. Okay, so we are done with is adding image. What will be the next item? Okay, hyperlink. How to add a hyperlink to your post. What is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a link that people click when they come to your website. You add a link to the website, and people, when they are searching for it, as they are reading, you just type something, they just see a link and they start to click it, or you just type something. You may also like this, or check out our homepage for more information, something like that. So you want to add, let's say, how to register your business with CAC. We are looking into how to add a hypertext, hyperlink rather. So this is it. I'm highlighting this one. Then these icons here, this particular one is for link. So you click on it, and then there is a pop-up here. Now, because we don't have another link we have already copied, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these settings here on my right, and I'll be taken to all the pages and posts on this particular website. If you want to add a link from a different website, you can also do the same. Okay, I don't know why this thing is delaying, it's not opening. It's supposed to open. Okay, the network is slow. Alright, so you can say upcoming event or blog, or maybe about us. Let's just say about us. Okay, now you click add link. Here is the link of about us. Let's see how it looks. The about us page. This is it. This is the about us page. Though we didn't write much, you can see it. We are registered, blah 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 blah. I told us because of time we couldn't add anything. You can write as many things you want to add. You understand? And then this is the jetpack we registered with. I registered then and added. You can see the sharing link. Twitter and Facebook are already connected, so you can share. You can, if once somebody can come and after reading information, they can help you share it, and more people will be reached to visit your website. So that is all for the link, addition of the link. So we have done with adding the link. Now we are going to go to look at menu. Yeah, this is the next item, is how to add menu. Let's go back to our dashboard and look for where we can add menu. You still go back to appearance. That is where we did themes, we customized, we did added widgets. Now we want to add appearance. Menu. Under appearance, we are going to add menu. Okay, so this is the dashboard, the area where you can, the menu bar area where you can add your menu. What is a menu? Menu is those things that you see at the top of a website that you visit, or at the right side or at the left side, depending on where, how many areas that menu are displayed. I'm going to come back and show it to you again. But here we already have some menus, but we have not arranged them in any particular order. They are already showing, but we can decide to arrange them. Like if we have some things that are supposed to be under categories, you can just arrange them here. So we are going to click on add menu now. Automatically add new top level pages. Okay, I say header menu, secondary menu. Okay, I think this is okay, just this. Then I click on create menu. Sorry, I didn't add menu name. Yeah, I'll say main menu. Okay, then click on create menu. You must give your menu a name so that you'll be able to create the menu. If not, it will not allow you to create a menu. So this is it. We have our menu. If you can see, before it was ash, that is, it was gray, but now you can see that the menus are showing we have about us and contact us here, but I'm going to view all so that we can add all. We have view all homepage, that should be the number one, and then followed by about us. Okay, let's just click all of them, then we rearrange them in the particular order we want them to be. So okay, add menu. Now the menu will be added to the right side of the page we are looking at. Alright, So this is our menu. Now home should be the front page. I want about us to be the second page, so I put it there. Then after about us, I say contact us. I move it, drag it, and put it there. Then we have the blog post. It's okay like this, the blog page, and we have the privacy policy, the last one on the menu list. So this is how I want my menu to be arranged. Okay, so now we are going to save them. Alright, our menu is saved. Now we'll go back and check the menu, but before then we are going to look at it. Let us complete the rest. Okay, let's just check the site now and see what we've done so far. Okay, so you visit the site. Alright, you can see that it is the way I arrange it now. Initially privacy policy was after home, but I don't want it that way. I decided to add it this way: home, about us, contact us, blog, and privacy policy. Now remember, we added something to our blog page, so let's look at that post and see the link we added, the hyperlink I told us about, and the image. Okay, yeah, I was supposed to remove something. I didn't remove it. Let me go back. Okay, this is the page anyway. Okay, the upcoming events, read more. Yeah. All right. Okay, there is a link I added. I'm looking for that link. We saw that link that time. Okay, the link is not reflecting here, and the image we added, I don't know why these images are not showing. Okay, you can see the contact us page. Okay, this is not the contact, this is a comments page. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't know what's going on. I'm supposed to have our page here. Let's go back and check out why it's not showing. Okay, the posts page, is that not where we added, or is it on about us? Let's see. It's about us page, all pages. Let me check the blog page. Still loading. This is just welcome to our blog, so it's not that. It should be okay. I think it was the home page also. Let's see the home page. It should be the home page. I think so. It should be the home page that we added image and okay. It should be the home page. That's the front page. I guess it's the home page. How can't I remember? I'm supposed to. All pages. It's about us. No. supposed to be post page. That is the blog page, blog post, but it's not sure. It should be this. Alright, I think the fault was from me. Is this is it. Okay, but I don't know why it's not still showing. It's supposed to show the link, or did I not save it? Perhaps it was not saved. Let's go through it again. I said we add page image here, and then we went to get an image, and when we added it to the post. Yeah, it was added, but I didn't save it. That is correct. Please make sure you always click update or save. Always click update or save or publish if you are ready to publish. If you're not ready to publish, go to save draft. You will see save draft there. So I didn't publish it. Sorry about that. I didn't update it. So we have the image here. Let's check again. The featured image I added to was not saved because I didn't update it. So the mistake was from me. We are going to add this again as featured image, but it's better you put one image because images are difficult to load most times. They make the site heavy. So if you're using featured image, use this featured image. If you're not using featured image, you want to insert it in the text in the post, just do it like that. Okay, so that's been added. Let me update it now. I didn't update it, that is why it didn't show, because I saw a notification here that there is a previous post that was not saved, but now we have saved. Let's go back and see, check out our site to know if what we added has reflected on the site. Okay, all right, this is it. You can see it now. See how beautiful it is. Now I wanted to try to change the background, but I understand now that this thing works with an image here. So any event, any post you publish on your website, like on the blog post, shows up here. It is social media share, so you can just click here to share to Facebook or Twitter. I just added only those two, you understand? So this is it. It is showing very well. Then this is the post. If you're reading it, okay, the featured image is showing there, and the one that this is the featured image, the one that is added. I think the adding the featured image really makes a lot of sense. Then this one also showing, so you can see how it works. Then sorry about the link, we didn't add the link, so I'm going to go back and add the link. I'm going to go back and add a link where I want that link to reflect so that you understand everything I'm talking about. There's another thing I just want to show you on this particular post. Yeah, this there are times when you visit a website, you will see a write-up, a content, and they will say read more. There is a read more tag that is attached to the post, so that you don't read from beginning to the end. They say read more. Some teams come with a read more tag, while others you have to insert. So like this post now, we are going to look for a way to add read more tag so that somebody will not read and read. If he's reading, you can just go through the half of the excerpts of the post and decide, oh, this thing is okay, I want to read it or not. Okay, so here it is. This is read more tag. Insert read more tag. You see? So we are going to look. Where do we add it? Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5 lines after. So I'm going to click here, and then I'll add read more tags. You can see a read more tag has been added. There is a dotted line here now. So I've added read more tags. Before we continue, okay, let me update it. I don't want to lose any information I've already done, because this has already drawn us back. Okay, I'm updating it. Then I will add the hyperlink. Okay, now I'm going to add a link. Let's see how to register your business with NAFDAC. Okay, then I click on the link here I told you before, and then I click on settings because I don't have a link already copied. Let's just wait for it to load. This one loaded very fast, so we are going to say about us. Okay, just use about us page and add link. That is it. We have added a link. Now we are going to update. I don't want to forget it again. Update it. So by the time we come back to visit our site again, you will see all these things will be available. But right now, the last thing we are going to do to round up this particular post or this particular training is getting traffic to your website. Remember Jetpack, the Jetpack I told you about. I couldn't get it because I already created a page for it on my blog, so that is why I couldn't get it. But the moment you install Jetpack, you should be able to get a widget that you can add to your right side of your site, or the left side, for people to be able to like your post when you post or publish something on your website. So my own is I already created a page for it. There is a page for it, so perhaps I just need to work on that. So now let us look at how we can get traffic, because now our website has been created, but you can see, let me show you something. Okay, it's not really showing out, not really clear, but I'm going to show it from here. We have already finished. I installed a particular plugin called Yoast search engine plugin. Okay, below your post, as you scroll down, you will see search engine settings. It's called search engine settings. Now, for you to be able to get people to visit, because this site was created yesterday, we installed this WordPress site yesterday. Now nobody except me who is working on it, nobody has visited it. Why is it like that? Because people are not aware that such sites exist. You understand? So for people to be able to get to know that there is a site like this existing, you have to work on search engine. We installed a plugin for search engine. It's called Yoast search engine. Is that you use Yoast search engine optimization plugin, or you use all-in-one search engine. You understand? So it's search engine optimization is called SEO in capital letter. So this is used the title, page, separator, title, site title. So we already have it. Now meta description. We are going to describe our site. So what do? We already have a post on this side. We just take some information here. Let's say this one, and copy, paste it. You put relevant information, because we have only, this is the only article we have. That is why I'm using it. Whatever your article you're posting or page you're creating, make sure you put relevant information. Meta description, you just paste something here. It's supposed to be longer than this. Okay, affairs, commission, because it's supposed to show red. Okay, commission is in. All right. Okay, then do well to visit our business, our business ideas for relevant information. Okay, it's showing green now. That is to say Yoast has accepted it. Now this, you work, anything you publish, make sure you come here, set it up. One thing about them, they tell you if your site is not doing well, if you are what you posted, you've not worked on it very well, they will show you. Look at it now. This is a search engine. Yoast search engine. Say search engine optimization is not well done. Readability is okay. It's showing green. Shema.org sharing is there. So these are, look at it. It's showing readability good. Search engine not available. Not connected. You can, if you say not connected here, make sure you click edit to add your social share, that Twitter or Facebook or any other social media this thing you have. So that is how to optimize search engine. But I just want to give you a secret, because you have to add related key phrase. Unfortunately, this would not allow key phrase because of pay. You have to go to pay for them to allow you to add it. But you can also try other search engine plugins. There are many of them. All in one VTU, all in one search engine. Sorry, you can add that one also. So that is just it. You are supposed to add relevant keywords here, but they don't allow. They only allow for their paid members. You understand? Initially, it was not like that. Okay, but you have a focus keyword. Focus keyword is just one word they want, just one. But get related key phrases. They will tell you to pay. Okay. I say business ideas. Okay. I say business ideas. So another way you can get some key phrases. In short, I will advise you to install all-in-one search engine plugin. Go to the plugins settings page and do that. You can go to, there is a particular the best keyword research tool. This is what you also have to do. There is one I remember, but I can't remember it now. Research tool. I just want to get it. Tool. Okay. Some roaches is expensive. There is one particular keyword tool I'm looking for. I can't find it again. Oh God, it's supposed to show up. It used to be at the top. Keyword Explorer, keyword tool dominator. No. It's no longer showing. There's one particular keyword tool that used to be very good. I always use it. So for you to be able to get some free keywords, oh shit, it's not there. Keyword planner, keyword tool IO. I think it's this one. Which is this keyword tool IO. Is this? Yeah, correct. This is it. So you just look for business ideas now. You see, whatever you are doing, just type in that word. In Nigeria, it will bring out business ideas in Nigeria. Let's say Nigeria, so that it will be specific. Keyword tool IO. Yeah, I remember keyword tool. It used to be number 1 or 2. Alright, so this is it. You can see several keywords. So this is what people look for when they come online looking for business. These are the key phrases they type, searching for information. So if you're able to add these particular phrases to your website, to your post, your articles, whether your post pages, whatever you're writing about, if you add any of these keywords, this is it, because I'm talking about, we are using this site as a business, for example, as a business site. You understand? Business ideas. If you are doing laundry, you type in laundry. Okay, laundry business in Nigeria. Okay, or you say how to start laundry business in Nigeria, or laundry businesses in Nigeria. Well, if you are running a laundry business, you say laundry business in Lagos. Understand? Maybe your business is in Lagos, and then you will see the key phrases that are there. You can add them, put them in your article. Whatever you're typing, like this post that we published, how to make perfume in Nigeria, that post, you can just take some of these words, these phrases, mix them, add them, use them to write your article. Let them be inside your sentences you're making, and also add it to your search engine title, your search engine. Initially, like, I think you should go to plugins and try to install new and type in all in one search engine, all in one. It will pop up. The moment it pops up, install it again. That one is better. That one allows you to put at least some key phrases, so you add them and you are good to go. At least when people are searching, they'll be able to get your site. There are some other things that you can do, but what you need to do is make research online and get more information on how to get traffic to your website. You can also get people to help you do that if you cannot do it, because search engine is very technical. Thank you very much. I think we've come to the end of this training. I want to thank you very much for participating in this training series, and my prayer for you is that, having learned this, that God will connect you to the right persons, that God will connect you to the right persons that will do business with you, that will uplift you, that you will not remain where you are right now as you're watching this video, but at the end of this training you have a good story to tell. Thank you, and God richly bless you. If you have any questions, you can contact me. I have in that ebook, I have my contacts there. You can contact me even when you are setting up your website. If you have any issues, you can contact me. I'll be glad to help you sort out some issues that you'll be having. Just contact me on WhatsApp. Then the moment I see it, so far as you're a registered member, you bought this from me, I will help you out. I will give you direction on how to go about it. That will be all for now. Thank you very much for being a part of it. Thank you. God richly bless you. And in case you want to create a blog and you want to start making money from a blog, if you have any idea you want to put online to make money, I teach people how to make money online. You can contact me. I will help you for just a token, and you'll be able to set up your online business and make money from it. Thank you very much. God richly bless you. See you. Bye.